How to see who sent you an NGL message on Instagram. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can easily view who has sent you an NGL message. If you guys didn't know, NGL is an messaging app where you can paste the link on your social media sites and people can respond to that link and they will be anonymous. So let's see how you can know if someone you know has sent you a message. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your Instagram and open the link that you have. So right here, I've posted a link on my story. Now, in order to check your inbox, you just have to open this app. And from here on the top right, you will see inbox and just tap on it. So from here, if you want to see any messages, you can just tap on it, and once you tap on it, if you want to respond to any messages that you find interesting, you just have to tap on this reply button, and then it will open up your story and you can write a reply. But in order to see who has sent you this, you can just tap on this icon. You will need to have a pro variant of this app, so you will have to pay a certain amount to see who has sent you the message. Now, in order to do that, you can tap on unlock and continue with the payment. But if you don't want to pay this money, then what you can do is post a response right here. And if someone responds to your story, then that probably means that person has most likely sent you the message. So once you post this, if someone responds, then they are most likely the sender. So that's how you can know if someone has sent you an NGL message. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.